Hello guys. So as per your request, there is a question paper of cost accounting, corporate accounting. Last time someone commented that we required a corporate accounting question paper of BCom second year. So that's why I'm uploading that question paper. This question paper belongs to second year, those who are pursuing in BCom. Actually today I'm free, that's why I'm uploading this paper, and I think I have to make some important videos for you. That's why. So this is a question paper of corporate accounting BCom second year. So you can see the details of that. This is a paper code P102, paper 4, paper 7th, corporate accounting. The time duration 3 hours, maximum marks जो है 55 marks containing this paper. And some more details like you have to write your roll number on the top of the paper, and answer may be written either in English or in Hindi, but the same medium should be used throughout the paper. So that means you have to write your questions either in Hindi or in English. आपको ये क्वेश्चन या तो हिंदी में अटैम्प्ट करने पड़ेंगे, हिंदी लैंग्वेज में, या फिर इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में, बट पूरे पेपर में आपको वही लैंग्वेज यूज़ करनी पड़ेगी. Then the second note is that the maximum marks printed on the question paper are applicable for the students of a regular college CAT A. These marks will somehow be scaled above proportionally. Actually this is not belong for us. It means दो क्वेश्चन पेपर्स में क्वेश्चन मार्क्स दे रखे हैं, उतने क्वेश्चन के मार्क्स है. दिस इज अ इम्पोर्टेंट नोट. Attempt all the questions. All questions carry equal marks. So that's good. So there is question number 1. One more thing, this question paper for both English or Hindi medium, both in languages. Like first you see the English, then second you see the notes are also available in Hindi also. So guys, those here who are belong to in Hindi, who can also see that question paper. So now we begins from question number 1. Question number 1 है, this is a numerical type question, so you have to attempt it. Then the question containing the marks is 11. This question containing 11 marks. So what is the question? Question is that S Limited invited applications for 1 lakh equity shares of rupees 10 each. The shares were issued at a premium of rupees 5 per share. The amount was payable as follows. अब उसकी डिटेल्स हैं. On application rupees 3, on allotment at rupees 8 per share including premium of rupees 3, on first call of rupees 2, and on final call that's rupees 2. And some more details about that. Application for 1,50,000 shares were received, and application for 10,000 shares were rejected, and their money was returned. Pro rata allotted was made to remaining applicants on the following basis. Like that, you can read more details below that. Yeah, first one, applicant for 80,000 shares were allotted 60,000 shares, and applicant for 60,000 shares were allotted 40,000 shares. Now what we have to do? Yeah, X who belonged to first category was allotted 300 shares, failed to pay the allotment money, and on his further failure to pay the first call, his share were forfeited. Okay, and the Y who belongs to second category and was allotted 200 shares also failed to pay 2 calls, and his shares were forfeited. After his final call, the forfeited shares were reissued at the rate of rupees 12 per share, fully paid up, and passed the necessary journal entries. So this is the 11 marks question. You have to pass that journal entries. Those you think these are the necessary. As you prepare in the optional question, you have to two question in the options. That is, state the provisions of a company's act for a buyback of the share. Okay, and the B part is numerical type question, so you can do it. So part A containing 5 marks, and then after that part B containing 6 marks. Then both question containing 11 marks. These are in options. You have to attend upper one, or you have to attempt lower, both parts A or B. So you can read the questions carefully. You have to all you have to also pass general entries in the same question, but the question is different. These question containing 6 marks, so this is easier than the last one. This is easier than the first one, so you can read it carefully and answer it. Now we come to second question. Yeah, these questions also available in Hindi also. So those who want to read in Hindi, who just stop my video and then see the question in Hindi also. So now we go to question number 2. That is the numerical type question also. Now what we have to do in the question, just you have to first you have to read, and then you have to think about that what you have to do in this question. So this is simple, just start reading. D Limited has issued a share capital of 650 at 7% redeemable preference shares of rupees 100 each and 4500 equity shares of rupees 50 each. The preferred shares were redeemable at the premium of 10% of the April 1, 2014. The company's balance sheet as on 31 March 2014 was follows. These are the balance sheet of the company. We have on the left side of our liabilities and the right side the assets. As you know, you can see that, and after that you have to think about what you have to do. And the more details is part A, part B, part C. This question containing 11 marks, and this question also have the optional question part A and part B, like a first question. This question part A containing 5 and part B 6 marks. Part A is theoretical, part B is numerical. Part A, what is part A? Part A is what do you mean by the debentures issued as a collateral security? How is it is shown in the books of accounts? So you have to explain it. This question containing 5 marks, so you have to explain like 3 pages, minimum 3 pages. Then the other part is numerical type question. There is a lot of numerical type question because this is a question paper of corporate accounting, or you know the accounting meaning you have to record the company properly. That's why we have to we have to attempt more questions in numerical type question. Then you can read also the details also. Oh guys, if you need any other help with me, then you just comment below. If you need any other papers from last to last year, then just need a comment below and write that I need this paper. Just normally I need this paper, can you help me? Just read it. Or if you want some answers below that, okay, you can't solve this question, you want answer, then I can also try to provide you answers also. If you like that video, then please like, subscribe and comment. Actually I have a one site also where you can find the question papers, and the last I will tell you where you can find the question paper, or you can go to description where you find the link, and in just click on link you can directly redirect to the page, you are redirect to the site. There is a question number 3. This is also good numerical type question, and the balance sheet is also available here. You have to see the balance sheet, and there is some questions related to this balance sheet. Note the preference shares dividend was arrears for the last 3 years. It was decided to reconstruct the company as their following a scheme which was duly approved by the court. This is dim because of some printing errors, so you can concentrate, then you can read about the question. The part 1, the preference share be converted into a 7% preference share of rupees 50 each fully paid, and part B, the fully equity share shall be reduced to the rupees 3 fully paid. Then part C, the debenture holder agreed to waive 50% of the accrued interest and part D, part E, part E. Then you have to solve each another and in the option. This question containing 11 marks, and then in option there is also a question. You have a balance sheet. This is also a tough question, so you can read it. This is a balance sheet in the optional question, and you can see that B Limited agreed to a board, so you can read it also. So guys, I am here to help you. If you need anything else, just comment below. If you like that video, please like and subscribe my channel for more videos. If you subscribe to my channel, then you can regularly update about the videos and other things also. Okay, I think, if you need to know about Tally, then I will tell you about how to use the Tally also if someone requires. Otherwise I can't. Yeah, question number 4 is this: from the following balance sheet, E Limited as 31st March and the additional information provided, calculate the cash flow from the operating activities. Okay, these are the details. Cash flow statement and some details or additional information are also available below the cash flow statement. There is a depreciation provided on the fixed assets at ₹60,000. And this is the last question. I think this question paper you help you a lot. Or at the last I'm telling you where you can find the question papers. Just you have to click on openlearninguniversity.blogspot.com and just click on that. You directly redirect to my link, or you can go to a video description where you can available the link. Just click on that, you can directly redirect to my site. That is a site, you can see that free learning. You just have to go to School of Open Learning. This is a page. Then you can see about the details with the course offered by the SWR. We are doing BCom, so we click on BCom. Then we have to select the subject. Now we have to see the courses. The subject is first year, second year, third year. Now we are seeing the corporate accounting question. Then click on corporate accounting. There is a lot of question paper uploaded soon, so here is one question paper 2018. You can see that this is the question paper we are discussing about. So just go below and see that question. I think it will help you a lot. And please like, subscribe my video, or you can further issues, just you can directly comment below here also. There is a comment section. You can just comment here, right here, and comment it. I think you like my video. Please like, subscribe and share this. Thank you for watching this video.